All right, now this is part two of the stream, dividing it into two. The Bitcoin and Ethereum and market analysis is now complete. This is the fun part, since we both, we Littleton, have a very bearish view to 25k, 23k retest, possibly absolute lows of 15 that could be tested if the bulls fail to defend 23,687, or if we were to move sideways and we break down further, then we will be testing these levels. We cannot get complacent too much on you know, on longer term holds, but if we are to go lower, we will see these levels tested on some coins. So the first thing on my mind, if we are bearish, is my Axie short. Personally, I think that we can agree that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It bounced there on the 3-day and closed above. We can agree that that was a nice bounce as support, but it failed. 1, 2, 3, 4 is enough as a trend. Now this is a massive move up. NFTs, right? NFT season.
Wow.
I'm not fading NFT as a market. I'm fading Axie Infinity as a coin.
They have a game, right? Like something with a game.
Something with
Actually, they were
something.
the first crypto game.
Yeah, Axie Infinity. It's fundamentally is all right, but I don't know. Like, all I know, this is all I see. You know, I'm a technical analysis
Yeah.
person. This is all I see. This is what I see. A big red cloud covering over.
But it's
That's
getting thicker.
getting thicker and thicker. This is on a. It's massive. Like,
Wow.
you
Like a
want to
tunnel.
you want to challenge that. There's no challenging this. You challenge this, you challenge God, my friend. That's huge, man. But if we done this move, easily,
Yeah.
in a matter of days, that's getting ahead of ourselves. We're bearish right now. We don't look for we don't look for massive levels. So quick breakdown, break of structure. I close my Matic short. I am looking at adding into these zones for Axie Infinity and a reclaim of this level. I'll be cutting my short, calling it a day, calling it a loss, and that's it. But the real move will happen here. The first move is 14%. The second move is 50%. The last leg is 154%. This is
Wow. Oh.
total capitulation. I'm gonna keep shorting. I'm gonna keep shorting. I'm gonna keep shorting Axie Infinity, and my thesis is valid. There is no correlation here with strength. This is Bitcoin in a 3-day chart. That's strength. It's still weak,
But something.
but something is much more weaker. We
You
short the
got nothing here.
we will short the weakness, and we will long the strength. This is about to rip, if it does rip. Okay. Next, Matic breakdown. This is why a lot of people shorted it. It already done this move. It already done the 3-day move. and already done 100%. It's boring. It's done. It's finished, and it respected the cloud perfectly. Let's not fade the cloud. We are trading underneath. After we've done that big move, we're trading underneath a broken level, and that's done. I'm happy to short Matic here, or maybe around here. We'll see. Okay, we'll just keep following the chart, but at the moment, I will be happy to re-enter Matic on the 4 hourly like this. Okay, if I'm right, closing my Matic short here, and these boys are squeezed, and everybody gets paid, that's a better move. Would you agree? We were looking at an 8% move before. Now, if we exit there with the profit that we got there, we can short it here again with size. 20%. Yeah, makes sense why I closed it.
Yeah.
I don't want to waste the move that I have there by putting more margin here just for me to go up here, get stopped out, and lose all the profit I made there. Simple. Nice and simple. This is the move on Matic. Based on USDT dominance, based on Bitcoin dominance, based on Ethereum Bitcoin dominance. Bullish Ethereum Bitcoin dominance will push alts up, and it will push it violently. Violently, where me and you are gonna make money as bear. Look at that. You want to fade this? I'm not fading this. Money is moving into alts. People are bidding. People are bidding alts. It's clear. So Matic out. We go back in higher. I am looking at a couple of longs on altcoins. This weekend, I think we're gonna see some scam pump. Quick scam pump, 2-3% out, 2-3% out. Yeah, that's my plan for this weekend. 0.5% risk. That's the faith I have in longs right now. I'm gonna leave this. Okay. If I get stopped, if this gets squeezed, I'm happy to buy there, but I will not lose this move based on my greed. Just remember, I can be greedy too on entries, and I'll miss out this whole move. Okay. So with that thesis that we broke this down, I will enter based on that thesis. If we get squeezed up here, I can top up my position, and we will continue downtrend. Okay. We will post this on Twitter, and we'll claim some clout later. Yeah. It's okay. Next, Matic. Matic we know, and it's trade ready. We'll leave it there. Tomo. Tomo is short, man. Tomo is short. What do you think?
It's have an uptrend on the 4 hours. It will test the support again, and then we will see what we will do downstairs. But for now, it seems like we can short it because it tested the resistance up there. So
this is my thing, right?
Above the cloud, gonna touch the cloud at least once if it's going in. I would be taking profit before it goes to the cloud if it's consolidated there, maybe.
Yeah.
Am I wrong or
no? You're right. That was a test. I would not be shorting here. I mean, I would be scalping. I will be scalping on small moves like this, 5% moves. That's still money, right?
Yeah,
which I did. I got.
You seeing it like a risky thing to do, but I see like we have time until it comes down. So yeah. I can do some shorts if I'm sitting in front of my computer and like I have a few hours a day. Like Saturday, yes. I can follow this chart. Maybe I can like exit the trade wherever I like and take the profits because right now it seems like it's gonna test some levels down.
That's right.
Until it will touch the green cloud. So
let's
look at scalp wouldn't hurt.
Would a scalp wouldn't hurt? Absolutely. And there you go. You are absolutely right when you say that. A little scalp wouldn't hurt. We're about to break down. If you were scalping, and I love scalpers, absolute respect for scalpers. I don't have the timeline for that at the moment, but if I did, I would be. Now, because you're here and you said that you want to take some scalps over the weekend, I think this
Yeah.
Tomo trade is a good is a good RR. Where's my chart here? Short on the hourly break, like this. Can you see? If we see a candle, if we see a candle like this, we short it. We short it here. It's risky, my friend.
Wait, why did you enter there? Because of the candle, like how it's supposed to be to
Yeah,
enter the trade.
yeah.
Like,
I cannot risk, uh, fading my
oh,
own.
okay, I got it.
Yeah, I don't want to fade my own system. Um, if we
Based
and
on the cloud. Yeah.
Placed on the cloud, only we look for shorts if the price break underneath the cloud, on both the higher time
Mhm.
frame, on shorter time frame. You can overlap it
You're
if you have
not
to.
like maybe like if you enter a little bit down from the cloud, a little bit, so you'll make sure he breaks.
Yeah,
It's not better to do like, or you like entering like on the line with the cloud.
you want to scalp?
Oh, now it looks
Even better
okay.
like
Now it looks
this.
good.
Low risk.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. On the 15 minutes,
See how thin clouds
nice.
like this. See how thin clouds like this are broken easily. This is a thin support. So if you're long there, I'll be very upset with you, fam. I'll tell you.
No,
If
I wouldn't. To be honest, it's
it's
not thick enough, like you explained to me.
No, we love thick. I keep on mentioning it yesterday when I was chatting. Like I always say, we love thick. We love thick clouds. We love thick movement.
I wrote it down.
We love
My
thick.
girlfriend came and said to me, "What is this?" I was saying it's in the chart. I swear it's in the
It's
chart.
we're not talking about women, fam. We love thick. Like it's a
I
proven.
know it. She didn't knew it.
Look, 15-minute chart. Look what happened to Matic. He
Blew up.
broke.
Wow.
Okay. This is
Yeah.
why also I exit my Matic trade. Thin clouds underneath. Thin.
Very.
This, but,
Now it got thicker.
that's right.
So now maybe you have a chance to go into a
Again?
short on the 4 hours, I think.
No, on probably a 2 hour again,
On the 2 hours, yeah.
or maybe even a 1 hour. Doing this, a quick
One
scalp.
hour.
Yeah, it's
This is more
quick,
makes
quick,
sense.
quick scalp. If you really did want to scalp Matic, it'll be like this. But man,
Wow, this is a fast one,
that's
yeah.
that's dangerous.
Yeah,
Look at the
yeah.
conversion crossing. Like me, my friend, this is a long, and I'll explain
Because of
why.
the crossing, the
Cro
conversion with the base.
Bullish, bullish, breaking, bullish, bullish cross, bullish cross, bullish
Wow,
cross,
okay.
bullish
Now
cross.
that looks different.
How many bullish cross do you want before you go long, my friend?
There's too many for a short. Never mind.
I cannot I cannot fade. I cannot fade the system even in lower time frames. I cannot fade it. But overall, Matic is game over. I put this sad music in the background because we're going to zero, fam.
Yeah, that looks good.
That's not good, fam. There's nothing bullish about that. And if we are looking at, I am looking at going back in a Matic short, and I will short it to 72. I think I'll say it again on stream. I mean, if he even has time to watch my video, I doubt it. But I think you're a little bit late here if you're shorting again SZ. I mean, if you're really, I mean, aiming for a 75 move from there, like, I mean, you know, it's not much
I
really.
don't know. I don't like this coin. I don't like the way he acts.
You don't like
Something
it?
is not like. I don't know. Something is.
I think it's quite clear what it's doing.
Wait, I'm not talking about Tomo. I think the one that is going only up.
Oh,
That is
no, no,
not
no.
that one. Yeah, this one.
You don't like it as
This is
in
strange.
the way it moves? It looks like that it's taking out shorts, my friend. For the real alpha move to come in.
Something is not right with this coin with my head. Wait, I'm trying to understand it. Okay, it's got an uptrend. And
I'll be
oh, we
short.
got above the week.
I
Got
really,
above the weekly. We tested the weekly base, and now we're going. Okay,
that's what I want.
so there's maybe another fake out before we're going down. Like there is a chance.
Yeah. Does
Okay,
it?
okay. Now with the clouds, it looks more obvious.
It's more obvious. I'll let you look at some charts. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, I need to grab some water.
Of course.
I'm back.
I'm here.
Okay.
Chatting Tomo right
We
now.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's keep eyes.
I'm chatting now I'm in the 4 hours placing the conversion in the base.
Beautiful. Very good. Where's my weekly?
And
My weekly is now up. My 1 day conversion is now. Oh my god. 1 day. This is 1 day base. Sorry, I didn't get time to do this properly. I like shorting when it's underneath a daily base. I mean, it really, it really shows. Now, 4 hourly. You know, there's many time frames in this game, but try and stick to the same time frame all the time so your system is consistent. That's why I always do month, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, or maybe if I'm scalping, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay.
yeah.
Hey, look at Tomo is breaking down, fam. On the 15 minute. Where is this? Super trend. Where's my super trend? It's not turning on. Oh wait, no, my Ichimoku. Move to. Yeah, it's there you go, breaking down. Now you're gonna ask, how do we execute this trade? Yeah, on the 15 minute. This is a nice lesson to be learned. Is can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it clearly.
Beautiful. Wait for this. Weakness. Fade.
Again.
We just
The
broke.
week. Oh, okay.
Okay. We just broke on the 15 minute the super trend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're trying to catch this movement down. So what we want is this. But we make this very tight because try to minimize our risk, because you could easily do this and you're finished.
Yeah.
That's why I like entering late. Not because, you could enter here.
Like you waiting it to retest the cloud again.
Yes, but I'm also waiting to see the future cloud bearish. Like Bitcoin.
Like future cloud bearish, you mean?
I mean, I'm
You mean
bullish,
which cloud?
like this on Bitcoin. Where did we short here, right? Like
Yeah.
we broke structure here, and then we done no. When we broke this, I shorted Solana. This when we were showing this, I shorted Solana. I remember on the weekend, right? And then I added a Bitcoin short because when we were here, this was showing. It started curling.
So what did you do with the Bitcoin trade? Like, oh,
I
you
shorted.
didn't have one.
I shorted
You
here.
shorted.
I shorted here. Here, around here. When we broke this, I shorted. And then I left room to breathe. 26,500 was maximum pain because that's where the super trailer was. See?
Yeah.
I'm very consistent with my words. I shorted there and I left my stop loss there. Yeah? We run up, rejected conversion, and I missed my entry by $30. Remember? I said, oh no, I didn't get my
Yeah.
entry by 0.19. Otherwise, the size of my Bitcoin short would have been big, like big. It would have been beautiful. Anyway, weakness.
It's still something, so
Never be
I think you're
ashamed.
good.
Never be ashamed of taking profits. Never be ashamed of how much money you make. At the
To be
moment,
honest, my trade are based on dollars, on $1, $2,
yeah,
$5 if it's something I'm very sure about.
it's fine,
That's it.
fam. Do you want to know how much money I made from the 8th, which was Monday, yeah? On the challenge account?
Okay.
I only made
You
$54.
started with the 2,500, right?
No, man. This is on my challenge.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
not much. Because I took a stop on FTM. Because we had CPI, yeah? I'm not ashamed to show you this. I'm not afraid to show anyone this. 54%, that's 2% growth in 1 week. It's not a big win, it's not a big loss. You know, you can see here, started off okay. The weekend, Solana took it out. Half trade took out, left the running on B. And
Like,
then,
if you like have a trade and it didn't perform till the end and you took profits like
early?
early, so you like do the take profit in the in that moment on this price
Uh-huh.
to the shit,
I just,
or
I
you
just,
just oh no,
I just,
it's
I
the
just, I just see the ending
oh,
balance at the end of
yeah.
time today. Now I make my record. What's my balance right now?
Oh man,
Two.
I forgot that it's calculating alone the
Mm.
numbers.
Now at the moment I'm at 2554. It's
That's a
not.
nice progress.
It's a progress. It's not the best, but I'm moving.
You're moving, fam.
That's cumulatively 54. That's 2%. It's fine. I'm happy. This one killed me.
That's profit.
No, this is the loss. This is
Oh
the
yeah,
FTM. I got,
this is one.
when it flashed, it dumped me, and I had an order, and it triggered everything, and it just cut, the slip. That's okay. It's not progress, not the best week, but now we will see a move, okay? And I also needed to secure my win on Matic, so a win is a win. I got 1.5% today, 1.27% today. We'll call it a day on that, and we'll look for different trades. Now I still have 2 trades running that could go back to break even, but it's very unlikely that Bitcoin is just gonna quickly go to 27,600. There's not enough buying power. Look, can you see the buying power?
Weak. That's weak.
Is that's weak, man.
Yeah.
I might even enter on my Matic short again, but I'll show you this. Let's move away from Tomo. I want to show we're shorting, yeah. We're shorting,
Yeah, yeah.
so on the 4 hourly only, because on weekends we do not trust that movement. I just missed my entry on Lido Finance. Fuck me. That's that's um that's a short, fam.
Nice. Yeah.
Let me see. Let me do some
LDO.
calculation. For now, I'm gonna move it to active. Okay. To consider by the end of the stream, we will take the trades. Nah, nah. I'm gonna put Opera on my watch list. ARB just missed entry. This is an okay trade, fam. This is a decent trade. But I don't have any. I don't have any. I don't have enough data to see how far it will go. So at the moment, I will put that here. Tomo will put that at the bottom of the list. Not important. Metal. You know how much I hate this coin right now. Look at this.
I'm guessing a lot.
Yeah, I do. It's okay.
What a pump.
I'm waiting. I want this move.
It's a shitcoin?
It's a
It's
shitcoin.
considered a shitcoin?
Anything that pumps like this is a shitcoin, fam. This doesn't justify the performance of a coin. Yeah, you can pump 60%, but then it dumped 60% right afterwards.
Yeah,
You know?
like it looks like a rug pull.
Yeah. So it pumped 63% for it to dump 81%. Anyway, next. Ethereum Classic. Oh, fam. Almost soon. This was a good trade. We missed this.
You want me to enter the trade with you? Because I'm just watching, to be honest. I'm not placing even the trade on the chart.
Oh, you don't need to. You can watch it at this part of the stream. Just write this note down. 34 minutes. We're looking for something to enter, fam. ARB looks like the best one, to be honest with you. If Bitcoin goes to zero, this will go also to zero, but this could also do this.
Why is it looks the best one?
I'll explain soon. Okay.
All right.
Alice. Oh. What's the risk to reward here? Oh, I don't know, fam. That looks good. Let's chart this together.
Alice?
Yeah. I have enough data to short this.
Do I have it in my list? Yeah, I remember I'm adding it. Let me find it.
I'll do this extra quick.
How looks the design of this? They have a logo, something. I have a lot of coins starting with A.
It looks like a flower.
No, I don't have Alice. Why? I deleted it? No. I'll add like Alice. I'll just add this coin and that's it.
Man, there's not even enough data for a conversion line. Look, this is how. Oh wait, there it is. It's on the monthly. It's shit. On the weekly, it's even worse. Let me just put some.
Okay, I'm starting to chart it.
Let's go. Put a little bit of upbeat jazz music, huh?
I got a weekly conversion and weekly base on Alice.
I said month.
I can see it.
Month.
Month. Oh, monthly.
It's okay. Weekly conversion. Don't worry.
Monthly, yeah.
It's too far. It's too far. Just do something to save you some time, because time is money. Just do something that's close.
Yeah. That close, like in time frames.
Yeah, close to time frame. Anything that has a target that we can target. Remember, it's all about entry, exit, invalidation, risk management, capital gain. That's it. That's your three. Goal, risk management.
Right next to me.
That's right. Now, if we cannot, if like this is why ARB, it's not really a good trade, because I don't know when we're gonna exit. What we're gonna exit at 49 cents. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. Like there's less volatile coins out there. Volatility is good, but to a certain extent only. Yeah. You're better off just shorting weak coins like Alice, and Polkadot. Anyway, I've already done my weekly. I'm only charting what's underneath and looking at daily. I'm just gonna do daily
I'm charting the
conversion,
forward.
1 day
Forward straight.
conversions, 1 day conversion, and then 1 day super trend. Okay, I'm not even gonna worry about if you see me missing these numbers sometimes, it's because I don't wanna like put too much noise. Yes, at the beginning,
Yeah.
I wanted you to learn to chart everything just so you can get the hang of it. But once you become a pro and 100% understanding of the whole system, you're not even gonna be using the lines anymore. You're just gonna look at it because Ichimoku, Kinko, Hyo, the meaning is one glance equilibrium chart. That's it. You're only supposed to look at it once. You don't need to chart. It's already charting.
That's it.
Yeah, one day, like literally, you're gonna look at a chart like me, like Lido on the 4 hourly, and simply say that's short. And why did I did not take that short? Because I wanted to take it with you, but I guess if we don't get that entry again, I do not want to take the trade. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay. It's still 1 hour before.
Yeah, I charted all the base and conversions and super trend on timelines already.
Yeah,
so.
like I don't know how long you're gonna be, but I'm still gonna be here in 1 hour and 10 minutes until the close is finished.
I think me too. So.
Okay, well that's good. We can.
On what time frame you looking at? 4 hours?
Yeah.
Well, I'm looking at the 4 hours right now.
Alice.
But we want to scout, so we'll see how the candle is closed.
On what? On Alice?
Yeah.
Oh, fam. I was thinking bigger time frame, but if you really wanted to scalp,
bigger one.
Yeah, of course. I need to remember we have 2 days of weekend. The volatility is going. Right. Yeah, I don't really like the books are going to be thin, and the books are going to be thin, and I really don't want to risk myself too much. Like, I mean, look at this. If we enter here, it's not bad. If we enter Alice now, it's not bad. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna put that on active at the moment. Let's see 4 hourly.
I'm afraid to put it on active because when I see it's on active, I'm like, oh, it's active, okay. And then
can you see the way, can you see the way I arrange my table? Market mover, active, trade ready, watch list, and then rubbish. I don't want to watch too much, just enough to make money. Yeah. You know. I'll get back to you on Alice. But basically, look, I'm having a lot of confidence in you, so I'm not really gonna bother charting the bigger, like the 4 hour. You should be able to look at the 4 hour and go play with the cows. That's it. Look at the conversion. Look at the conversion. Yeah. Look at the conversion on 4 hour and move on. That's it. Get on with your day. Every 4 hours, check your chart. I'm not asking you to check your charts every 15 minutes. Look at this. This is a mess. Good luck trading this. If you look at it on a 4 hour, you will have financial freedom and you have time. Does that make sense?
Yeah, like I'm looking at the 4 hour and
it's easier, right? You only top up on the 4 hour.
Yeah, you have.
Look at this.
Less movement, let's say, like less candles.
Less headache.
Play with.
Enter. Yeah. Enter a short here. Go back in. Top up. Top up. Top up. Top up. $1 Alice. What a dream. I always wanted to buy Alice at $1. I'm not gonna lie to you.
$1.
I wanna buy $1 Alice. This is a NFT coin.
You can do a hedge trade, no?
Yeah, I will. I will definitely do a hedge trade at Alice at $1. And you know how much money
You
I'll
know,
make?
since I was started to take trading seriously, I'm like way away from Twitter. You can see it on my timeline in my profile. The
Yeah,
last time I posted things when I was
good.
active is
Do you,
this day that
I'm,
I decided to enter trading seriously.
yeah, because it's too much noise, fam.
Too much, yeah.
I don't like noise. You hear the music that I
I'm
listen to,
getting
fam.
updates to my NFTs. I'm not holding much, like they're not having much value, but they value to me like a tiger that I wanted already to send you. I'm waiting to the meme coins to come down so Ether gas will go low, but damn, this is crazy.
How bad is the gas right now?
I tried at the morning, I tried at the night. They won't get like under the $7-8 per transaction.
Oh
Oh my god.
wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's
Yeah.
expensive, fam.
Well, I started to trade NFTs where you had a gas like of $315, $350 when there is a high beast
You're jo- you're
mint. Never
you're
mind.
you're joking, fam. That's
No, I'm not
expensive.
joking. Yep. But we made profits from it. I remember that before they stole our wallet. Well, that was a later time on, but
Very unfortunate, huh? We'll make that money back, right?
that was a good lesson, to be honest. I wasn't even mad. I was accepting that with the happiness
I can't believe
because
it,
I
man.
learned something that I shouldn't have done. So
I would be very upset, fam. But I'll tell you something. I'm gonna give you a trade which you're gonna make 50% on without leverage. And this is the bad boy. And this
yeah,
is
I
you.
have one too. Placing on Bitcoin to go to 100K with a big stop loss and big profit.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
joking, yeah.
My stop loss, my stop loss for Bitcoin is zero. We're definitely going to 1 million, right?
I don't know, but it has a future, in my opinion.
I do. I think so too.
Fundamentally looking.
Yeah, but at the moment we're bearish, and
Yeah,
I want to buy Alice at $1. Or maybe a bit lower, but I'm happy with $1 Alice. I want $1 Alice. It's a nice ring to it. I want $1 Alice. Give me $1 Alice. I think we're gonna get it. I think we're gonna get this trade, fam. Anyway,
Alice, you say.
Alice. Yes, Alice. I want Alice. I want
Yeah, I
Alice out.
already placed my position, so I'm watching now, and we'll see.
We'll see. ARB.
I'm
Look at
doing
this.
isolated, to be honest. 1x
On what? On Alice?
on Alice, if I'm going in. I'm not familiar with it. I want to see how it acts to my trade if I'm entering.
If you enter now on 1x, leave room to put money on conversion here. On this box, okay?
To
This is
buy
what,
more
yeah, yeah, absolutely. To even out your
on the
trades.
conversion line. Yeah, it's not far from there
It's
on the
not.
4 hours conversion.
It's a nice slow bleed. Okay, it's 20. Give me a second. Let me close this stupid Excel sheet.
But if you enter at this point, or you just pointing it back up a little bit up, a little bit in higher price, so you assuming it will get there and then will get rejected again,
Oh, don't look at
or
Matic.
you just
Oh, look at what's.
Ooh,
Look what's going on with Matic. Look, I entered here, fam. I entered here at 46.11, and at top, it doesn't matter. Uh, it's okay. Move on. This guy doesn't want anyone to make money. Look, he went to 26,604 just then. It just dumped then when we speak.
wow. Yeah,
There you go.
right now.
We charted it live, and it dropped live. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if it drops further. But any spike up, like this. Look at this entry, man.
Wow. Exactly.
It's okay. If we don't get any trades today, it's all about a learning experience. ARB, perfect entry. On live on stream as we were chatting. Maybe I could front run this, fam. Maybe we should take this Alice trade.
I think so. Like I've been quiet now because I'm looking at it at the moment. Looks like with enough strength you could do an entry, but it's still in like it have low power, so it will eventually will go lower. It have to, but the question is if it will manage to pull up a little bit more from this point.
Fam, let's just do it. Let's just do it.
Worst case, it won't pump back, but we need to watch it if in case of break of structure or something. I don't know.
Give me a second. I'm calculating my stop loss now. Short. Our stop loss will be 1.328. Okay, I'm entering. I'm happy. I just shorted Alice. We're aiming 1.01, yeah?
Yeah, I did the same. I did almost the same.
Yeah.
With a slight difference. A slight one.
I'm risking just 1% here. With more room to move. I like this gap here. This is momentum building. This gap here. Can you see? I'm highlighting in yellow. That's momentum.
Yeah.
Okay. What the fuck?
Makes sense.
Anyway.
I'm passing this one and moving that one. Almost done.
Hey, that trade might take a while to play out, fam. So take it easy.
Yeah.
Be prepared to get squeezed. Be prepared to get squeezed, yeah. Because this, but once this breaks, you'll be okay.
Yeah.
So in theory, to be honest with you, we could have got entry here by the laws of Ichimoku. Okay, is that this is the conversion, this is the base, this will act like a magnet. Makes sense? Because this is the conversion, this is the base, this is the range. We'll test up, but then we have Big Daddy, a big 1 hour resistance, which I'm confident in shorting. 2 hour, really strong. 4 hour, phenomenal downtrend. Okay, so I have that. So if God gives me a pump, I will fade it with size. Alice is done, so we're not gonna take LDO, fam. Are we?
LDO is out.
Nah, too far out. I think.
Me now. Maybe I'm taking one. I'm taking only one that I'm sure of.
No, I don't think I'm.
For now, until I masterpiece those clouds, until I learn how to fly between them.
My friend, you will fly in the clouds.
Yeah.
You will.
The time will come.
I can't believe we missed this. We charted this together.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Move down. Bitcoin Classic was another entry I missed by a little bit.
You placed the trade a little bit late, or you just like didn't
No,
follow it?
I didn't get the entry. I had a limit order open.
Oh,
It's okay. So is Jasmine still alive or fam? That's TP3. Now we're
you're
just
still
what?
in Jasmine? No.
No, Jasmine's in a watch list now. It's finished. The next trade, Jasmine pumps quick, very quick. Already done 10%. Not interested.
How do you know it's pumping quick? Like, what is this? What are the signs of like?
My,
What's your experience with that coin?
very illiquid coin. One buy, boom, one pump. The movements are very rapid. It's very violent, and it drops, like a truck.
Yeah.
Okay. So you wanna see how much Jasmine dropped? 79% from the top.
Ooh, sheesh.
In, how many days? Jasmine done 78 from the top.
Yeah.
Just remember when you're measuring, don't measure from the top down, but measure from the bottom up. You see, 81%. I don't know why, but this is how it is. Okay, Jasmine is
Yeah.
out of there.
Oh, I wanted to ask something, but only if you have time for it.
Fam, we have another hour.
I wanted to ask about the supports you're doing with the yellow
Box.
yellow boxes. Yeah, like, this is a support or this is a how it's called? Like, I'm trying to play with it in my charts and I find it as a support, but how do you call it? What is your definition for it and how do you use it? And how do you know where to place them? Because I think I think I'm 99% sure where I place them, but not quite sure. So I wanted to ask this.
They called liquidity zones.
Liquidity zones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I heard it. I heard it already. Yeah.
Their previous support levels where bids were caught, where bids were, and then there was huge. It's basically the point of control. There.
A point of a decision, upwards or down,
Yeah.
downwards or up.
Yeah. And if we're
Yeah.
going down, someone's asked Bitcoin easy. It's bigger because I don't
Yeah.
know. I'm in decision. I can't pinpoint where it is. If I can't pinpoint where it is, see how people made bids here? They don't know where, but when it broke the box, Bitcoin took another shit right here. And I promise you, fam, this is very doable tonight.
Trying to find a new flow.
Yeah, of course, people keep on selling, and the selling won't stop until the floor won't be established until people start bidding properly. And then what's going to happen when the floor is established? The battle begins. The battle will begin.
Yeah.
And then maybe like that. It's not gonna go in a straight line, fam. Okay, we went down in a straight line here, yeah, but you can see a little bit of action here.
How do you know where to place the like how to place them
The
exactly?
box.
Those boxes.
Okay.
Like, where is the line of support and resistance of the box? Like, I did it a few times. I think I got it right, but I wasn't sure about my action.
Okay. Easy.
because every time I chart, it was something was missing, and this is it. This is it. Like this is something that crucial in my eyes when I trade. I
You
don't know
have
why. It's
you
very
your goal is missing an exit. Is that what you're saying?
something like that, yeah.
Let's find your
Or
exit, fam.
maybe an entry. I don't know.
Yeah, absolutely. Just look at the bigger picture. Let's. Oh man, I really
Because
don't.
I can draw like supports and resistance with a
Okay.
single line, but it's too much.
Okay. Let's. Why don't you do this for me? This is my polka dot short. I'm still in my main account, which I didn't make public. This is before I made Discord. Where am I exiting here? Look at the supports. Where am I exiting?
Well, I would say like where we have a consolidations at the same level of a support,
You're almost
let's
correct.
say.
You're almost correct.
You with the mouse where you at, yeah. At this
Liquidity.
point,
This is
I
a
would mark the sticks of the candles
yes.
towards the candle itself, and that will be my liquidity zone.
How
This
do
is
you
how I do it.
how do you define the support here? Is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Is it here? If you don't,
By
just
counting the times it went to the same level.
just highlight it. If you don't know where to exit, highlight it. That's TP1 right there. Anywhere here is a fair call to exit. This is an educated
Yeah.
to exit here is an educated guess because we can easily, if you exit there, exiting here or here or here is a respectable move. No one's judging you for exiting there. But if you don't
Yeah,
exit here,
it can be also like take profit 1 or 2 or just 50, half of the amount to take home because it's a crucial point and a very strong one. We may bounce up.
that's
Who
right.
knows?
There is no glory in round tripping your trades. It is shameful to round trip. You would better off being stopped out than losing the money that you gain for a trade that you were waiting for weeks. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
It's better that you take profit here or here than the price going back up there, even though you got stopped at break even and you made no money. There's no glory. Why did I not take profit on Bitcoin right now? Do you see the difference that this is curling?
With less like
What strength, what bids do I have there to take profit on my short?
it's not strong enough.
We're here right now.
The bears are stronger.
We're underneath the previous range. We got no liquidity here. There's no liquidity here. The next liquidity is here. I don't look at this, fam. I look at the one that's near it. I look at the closest candle, not the furthest candle. The closest candle. Next one is there. Look at how big I've done this.
From a candle to a candle.
Yeah, look how big I made this candle here. Now look where I made.
Yep.
Look where I place my box. This is a buy zone.
Definitely.
Spot. Buy spot. If you don't know what to do in a dip, buy spot. But don't buy the dip that keeps on dipping. Buy a dip in spot where a price is consolidating, where there's clear accumulation, where there is a market agreement.
Now it's a sell. Now
Hey?
it's a sell, kind of.
What do you mean? Sell?
Like at this point where the price at, it's a sell point, not a buy point.
As a matter
my
of fact,
opinion.
for a lot of people, they would have just started shorting now. They just shorted. These people are
No,
shorting now.
if we were on spot,
What
I
was
mean.
that? Yeah, in spot. No, what I'm saying, this is a sell signal for a lot of people that bought
Mm.
here. This
Oh.
is finished. This is the support. I posted this on Twitter very comprehensively. I posted this. These are one of the biggest Bitcoin analysis I've done. I've posted. Where is this? Did I not post this? I posted this on the 8th after you sleep. Or right before I sleep, or whenever, or here at 11 p.m. at night time.
I still not recognizing the charts and the threads I read, so I need to check it out if I saw
Learn
it
this,
on Twitter.
fam. Look
Oh,
at
I
this.
need to write something today
This
as
is a
well.
thread, fam. Like, this is a thread that I made. These are the liquidity boxes, yeah?
Yeah.
At the moment, we broke this. Would you agree? The major support that's been holding this 4-hour uptrend has been breached, indicating the significant shift in market
Yeah,
sentiment.
I wrote it. Yeah. Yeah.
I wrote this. Despite this, we are in a 55-day period with 13 price movement. While it may be advantageous, sorry for the big words, because this is for Twitter. I did not want people to make fun of my English,
Yeah.
so I use ChatGPT.
That's good. I'm training.
Yeah, this is ChatGPT. I'm telling you. I'll tell you my secrets. You're a trading partner now, my friend. This is ChatGPT that wrote this, but it was my idea. Yeah, the English is very nice. On the downside,
ChatGPT is awesome.
yeah, on the downside. So if this is the range. Now, despite this, we are currently in a 55-day period with 13% movement. While it may be advantageous to engage in short-term trading strategies such as scalping strong altcoins and shorting weak altcoins like what? Like Solana, like Matic. When this range is breached, we will likely witness significant price movement that ruthlessly liquidates over leveraged positions. On the downside, we can accept strong supports to be tested 25k, 25k to 24k regions. The last stand for bulls being at 21k. Here. On the upside, we could see a movement of maximum pain level of 44k for the bears. I recognize the importance of having a robust, a really good trading system that can adapt to different market conditions. Although I have a system for momentum trading for continuation play, it may not be effective in the current range for BTC. Therefore, I will employ range trading strategy until the market provides evidence shift into our approach. Why do you think I'm doing this? Big shorts with big targets. Because we're broken. Like, we've broken the trend. Yeah? Simple.
Yeah, got it.
We're testing these levels, whether you like it or not. The failure to reclaim this box above, we're going to zero, fam. This is the box. You give me this movement,
maybe it will be, yeah, it will be positive, but not now.
I will long. But so for now, 1, 2, and that's the move.
Yeah.
These are the points where I would go long, not short. I will be longing the reclaim of this level underneath this cloud. Or if you want a higher conviction trade, reclaim the 1-day conversion and we'll go long. Long here, long here, long here, aiming these liquidity zones, but too much, level by level. You're gonna get confused, I'm gonna get confused. Okay, It's clear. We just rejected. We just rejected that box again. Now remember, I'm one person. Now imagine someone like me, but with $10 million. They would have shorted this.
Wow.
They're unloading. This range is broken. I waited. We waited for 55 days for this range to broken, and you don't want to go short now? We're shorting. We're shorting all the way down. We waited 55 days for this, my friend. I'm gonna have like I've opened, like, I'm not gonna be scared. I'm not gonna be scared to take trades like this. I will have no fear. Okay? Don't be squeezed out, yeah? I'll tell you when to be worried about shorts. Be worried. If it does this,
then we will long.
Yeah, we will long. But if it does this and it does this, don't worry. Ride it out. Ride the storm. Look at me. I got shaken out on my Matic for one green candle. Me.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for quite some time now, and even I got shaken out because I'm scared what BTC will do. It's better that I take profit here and keep my two shorts open and open something else that's weak. It hasn't done anything green like that. A reversal will look like that, but you know, what else are we charting? We didn't get entries on our FTM trade on Aave. Oh no, I didn't done this before, by the way. When Solana is a short, by the way. You see?
Yeah.
Solana is a short.
I'm in a Solana already, to be honest.
Still?
From yesterday.
Ah, you charted it. Well done.
I posted it. Yeah, I posted
know.
it on Discord.
That's what I mean. You got in.
You think it was
it was a
like,
good trade.
It was fine, like it's something doable?
Well, you're still in the short. You're doing well.
Yeah.
So you
For
got
now,
this.
I'm really watching it, even at walk. When I like walking cows in the field, I'm like checking my phone.
Yeah,
just to
that's okay.
see that I'm on point, just to confirm my stages.
Fam, I want to know something. Where did you get these levels from? Where are you getting this TP1, TP2 from? I want to know. Just that's fine. There's no wrong answer. I just want to know your side of the story.
That was, yeah, I'm explaining, of course. To be honest, I don't know. I'd like, let me just remind myself. Why did I choose those ones? I think it was based on the current consolidation, on the previous consolidation. But maybe, like, I wasn't meant to say that the candles will go exactly that way. I'm just saying that those levels I will think to take my profits because I'm not sure of the way it will go, and I'm watching it. I think I typed it, if I'm not wrong. So I placed a lot of take profits because I was sure it will go down. I was sure that the system will work, but I wasn't sure about how this coin will act to this trade. So I just wanted, just to be sure. Yeah, just to be sure.
No, that's okay. Let me amplify your skills right now. This is something.
When I go into a trade, I'm sure, but this one is like, I'm sure, but
there's a but. Sure. Okay. I just want to show you what you're doing. I just want to show you what you're doing, because I used to do it a lot when I started, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Too much, fam. And I'll explain why.
Too much line. Yeah, well, let me open. Let me open it.
I did exactly what you did in a larger time frame. Yeah?
Yeah, I have a lot of noise. Yeah.
No, that's good. You are getting the hang of it. Taking profits here will still make you money, but wouldn't you like to know the secret of making money better?
Yeah, like not like take
When
take
you
the advantage of the
when
whole
you
potential of it.
when you put $1,000, you have the right idea. Put your money where your mouth is. You're right. That trade happened, but if you took profits along the way, you, your size drops. Why would you
Yeah.
want to drop your size? Fam, if you know your trade is gonna go through, why are you taking profits? Did I take profit on my Bitcoin short? Don't be shaken out.
No.
I got shaken out on Matic.
That's it. Like I'm at this point, I'm currently at this point where I'm still not sure
You,
if I'm reading the clouds right.
that's right. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's all part of the learning process,
But
fam.
yeah, it's a process. It's a process I'm doing right now.
It's a
At
very
this moment.
beautiful process. But look at this Solana. Like look at my Bitcoin chart. My exit. 1, 2. So this is a full size trade. If anything, I just minimized my losses. Instead of taking profit, I take profit by moving the stop loss at that profit.
So instead of take profit, I'm just
moving your stop losses down.
Stop loss.
Trailing your stop loss. I am teaching you momentum trades. Momentum trades are fantastic in longer time frame, and it is absolutely a masterpiece if you learn how to trail them. This is where ideally my Bitcoin short should have, what the fuck? Oh, here, 34 minutes. We're about to close. A very bad close again. There.
Yeah.
Yeah. 4-hour conversion. My stop loss should be slightly above my conversion if I'm playing if I'm playing momentum, isn't it? Or put on the super trailer. Eventually, what's gonna happen? This is full size, fam. You haven't taken profit. This is a big move. But if you take profits as you go, take profit here. Let's just say for instance, yeah, I took profit here.
Yeah.
I just reduced my size. So when it goes here, fam, I would have made less money instead of taking profit here. That's why I always say I believe in you. I need you to be confident in your skills, fam, because you got it. You do. Otherwise I wouldn't waste my time with you.
You appreciate that. Really.
Yeah. No, really. I'm not just saying that because yeah, you need to be confident in your trades, fam. So now instead of you making this full move with full $1,000, you just exited here $1,000. And it moved 4.9%. Congratulations. You made what, $4.90? Yeah.
Yeah, depends on what entry I got.
Yeah, let's say you entered here on this time frame in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you exited your trade here because you don't know where you're exiting. Congratulations, you just made $10. But if you exited here, fam, you would have made $50 on $1,000. Does that make sense? Now,
yeah, absolutely.
You still have a full size here. Move your stop losses. Now, if this goes back to entry, you still made $13.60 on that trade. You didn't lose anything. You lost this move, sure. Okay, but I would not take profits there, actually. This is where I would have paid myself. That's my take profit one. So let's say you took profits along the way. Now, by the time it gets to here, you only have $500 left. So this move that you have left, 1% of $50 or $500 is $50, right? Oh, no.
1%?
Yeah, 1% of $50 is what? $5. Yes?
$5, yeah.
$15 here. Instead of making like a boss, 8% move, take out $500 here, and you still have $1,000 left. You still have $500 left from here to here. Or you could just keep trailing, keep moving down your stop loss with the conversion. What if this keeps on dropping, fam? I'm maximizing your return on the hard work that you're doing. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm trying to say.
Yeah, of course. This is good.
Now,
I love it.
Back to Solana.
This is what I like. You give me like your opinion.
Of course.
On things.
Instead of
this is the juicy part.
That's it. If you went to TP1 on your trade on Solana, on your entry at approximately 20,599, move your stop loss to break even. And do not take profit. Or pay yourself 10%.
This is how I keep my size. This is how I will keep my size.
Yeah, you will keep your size. So when it moves to 17,879, let's see if I agree with you there. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a fresh chat for you because it's been a while since I have done Solana chat. A quick one, okay? We don't need to look at what's above here. We're never going to see $88 for a very long time. Waste of time. Look at the weekly.
Yeah.
Weekly, okay. We are trading above the conversion. So that's your support. Mark it straight away without any hesitation. Weekly conversion. Yeah? And mark it green or whatever color you want as support. I like this color. And then you look at the next level. Weekly super trend. Resistance. Would you agree?
Yeah. Definitely.
We'll mark another one. It's unlikely that we'll hit 75, but if Bitcoin bounces here, it's over for the bears. We'll see 75. It's possible. This is the plan. If we do not break $17, we are going to hit 75. Not now, not in the next couple of days, but this chart will test itself if we continuously to trade above conversion. If we are constantly finding pricing above the conversion like this, above the support, we will test this 75, whether it takes 3 days, whether it takes 3 months. It's going to test it. It's going to drop like this eventually, you know, like this will move down, but that's a moving average for you. Okay, now that is the weekly base. Now what do we have next, fam? We have the daily. We broke the daily cloud with a bear cross.
Trading under the base and the conversion with a cross. A
Yes.
cross means
Any
bullish.
moving average? No.
No way.
A bull cross is when the blue
Crossing the red,
Yes.
the base. Yeah.
Yes.
Because the base. Yeah, makes sense.
Yes.
Okay.
And now we have broken daily inside the Ichimoku cloud, so we will test this level. Whether it's like this, whether it's straight down, we're gonna test it. Believe in it. Believe in the cloud. The more you believe in this religion of Ichimoku, the more you're confident in your system, the more that you are going to keep your trades open for longer, and the more money you'll make. So what if you get stopped at break even?
So, by the way, like
Yeah.
I have now the few trades I have opened already. Now, like they can be done in a few days even, right? It can happen like a few days, maybe a few hours,
It
but
can
most
happen.
of it they will take a few days, right?
Yeah,
Like
it depends on
what's
what
the
time frame you're
average of
looking
a
at.
trade?
It depends.
Depends.
I held my Bitcoin short since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 1 week, fam.
Wow.
What's the point of scalping? If you have time, sure. If you don't have time, and if you can find income outside and at home, why not do both? I have people messaging me, oh, I don't know if it's time for me to day trade. I don't know if it's time for me to quit my job and do your job. I'm like, listen, shut the fuck up. Okay, first and foremost, you're lazy. You're trying to get rich quick. And trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's painful, filled with suffering and long nights at the charts. Man, I've been at the charts for almost 3 hours now. The first stream was how long? And then the second stream is already 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah, you're not stopping, fam. You're
What
unstoppable.
what for? I've been streaming for 2 hours, yeah? It's hard work. It's hard work. And a lot
It
of
is.
people would
It
not
is
put this out.
not easy.
No,
I
it's
see
not.
how you do it. It's not easy.
It's
It's not
it's
easy.
but it's not hard.
Well, you need to understand it,
Yeah.
and then it's not hard.
Yeah. Yeah. So
And
Solana,
you need to have approach to it.
absolutely. We have to believe in it. I believe in these charts as if this was a religion. I follow it. I follow it. I follow it. I follow it. I faded my own religion here. And look what happened to me, fam. I exited I'm just referring to Ichimoku as a trading god, okay? If this was the trading god, I defied the trading god. Look what happened to me. I exited too early. Like a bitch.
Yeah. Nah.
Yeah?
Wait. Where did you exit?
I topped up my short here and I exited around the same price and it dropped. After I exited, it dropped. It taught me a lesson today. I missed out on a 2% net move, but it doesn't matter. I still took profit. I'm happy, but I'm just saying I defied my own system because I was scared. I saw green and I got scared. I capitulated my shorts in profit, but I still got scared. Do not be scared. Yeah, do not be scared. This Solana trade will hit 1768. Believe in it. And the way you protect yourself, it's called trade management, is you move your trades down. Where did you enter?
Yeah.
Where did you enter? Here.
Oh, you asking me where did I enter?
Yeah.
It was
2054.
2059.
That's a beautiful trade, fam. Four hour. Okay. Own it. Feel it. Okay.
Yeah, letting it go.
Let it go. Where are you? Are you in profit?
Yeah, for now.
Of course you
At
are.
this point, yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's a couple of dollars trade. It's nothing big. It's just
You have two options.
I'm looking at the percentage. The percentage is more interesting for me.
I'm gonna highlight something for you to improve your charts better.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know when you entered. Did you enter here? Where did you enter? Here? Give me the time. When did you enter?
The time. The time was
How many hours ago?
on the 4 hours chart. Yeah.
Whatever chart you were looking at. What time did you enter? It was on the 4 hour you entered. You entered.
On the 4 hours chart.
Oh fuck! You
I
just
entered
entered.
at the point
You just entered.
at the 20.678. No, the time. How can I tell you? Well, the
How many hours ago?
12, 12,
Okay.
23,
Draw the
9,
open up the 1 hour chart. How many
23 of May.
how many candles back did you enter from the 1 hour chart?
1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just count the candles. That's it.
We can be in different time zone, but we're looking at the same chart.
Wait. Well, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half of 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm satisfied. So you entered at 20.59, yeah?
20.59.
Okay, it's fine. I'm happy. You entered there. Feel free.
Wait.
Are you sure that's where you entered? It's not
No,
making sense.
No. I just looked at something different. Wait a moment.
Please
Wait a moment.
look at your Solana chart. There's
No,
no
no,
way.
no.
If you
Not
had a,
5. No, I'm looking at the red line of the baseline instead of my entry point.
mm-hmm.
Wait a second. 366.
2366.
2366.
It's fine.
The red line is on 20.59 in my screen.
Okay, keep your.
I'm sitting in front of a 32-inch and a 40-inch screens.
Too big for me, fam.
1 meter away. I'm looking upwards with my leg.
How I would enter this trade? I would put my stop loss at 21.
When it's 21
and a half.
I did it a little bit bigger.
Bigger? Why?
A little bit.
How much bigger?
22.
Okay, fair call, because that's the 1 day base. Okay, I'm on a 4 hour time frame, and my super trend is at 21.57. So I will leave it room to breathe like that. Let it run, fam. Believe in yourself. It's a
this is what I'm doing now. So I'm waiting to see where it goes.
It's a 2 point. If you got in around there, it doesn't matter. Just let it run. You should be all right. And if you really wanted to, I'm afraid that it needs to drop, because if it goes to 21 and a half, it's going to test higher. It's going to test 21.87. Not 22 should be okay, fam. You won't be stopped out.
Yeah, this is why I have a lot of take profits instead of moving my stop. Yeah, but
it's okay.
At that moment, I was thinking like, okay, I will be taking it quick if it goes the other way, because I wasn't sure 100% with it.
I'm sure that it will test. It will tell 17.71. I'm positive. But it's not allowed to go above 21.51. That's my parameters. Now, quickly look at the charts. I want to show you liquidity zones.
Yes. That one is a must.
This is a problem, fam. You're shorting support right now. Don't be alarmed.
I told you I need to know those boxes. Okay.
Don't be alarmed, but you are shorting support right now. A support that can break.
Explain why I went with take profits, with so many take profits.
Do you see why the price? Do you see why it's going? Do you see why it's squeezing you a little bit up?
Because it's a support, yeah.
Yes, but it's fine to support enter higher than a support, because if it's in the brink of breakdown, it's fine.
Now that makes sense why I was in doubt with that. Apparently.
You're shorting support. I'll tell you right now, straight to your face, you're shorting support here, fam. Okay?
Yeah, I see how many times it went through that line, through
Okay?
that range.
It's like this. But it's fine, it's gonna break. Do you see? This is liquidity zones. Solana is very liquid here. That's why I'm staying away from it right now. Does that make sense?
Yeah, very.
I mean, it's a good short.
Honest.
It's a good short. It will hit there, but it won't hit there fast. Everybody in crypto wants to get rich quick, fam, including me. Okay, so I want my trades to go like faster. The faster it goes there, like these are liquidity zones. Okay, there. This is why, if I was taking this trade, I would have taken it there, at this cloud here, where we done it live together. Look at that liquidity though.
Yeah.
Like how many liquidity like I had to tap just to get there. That's why my TP was so quick. My TP was here. TP1, TP2. 1, 2. Here, let me rewind it to our stream on the weekend. But if you were putting it at if you were putting your stop loss here, you won't get stopped out. I promise you.
Now that
Makes you feel better.
did like I got it a lot better now.
Yeah.
Now it makes sense.
If you
a
get
lot more in my head.
There's a chance. I'm not saying that you will. I'm just saying that there is a chance that you're gonna get squeezed here to that level.
Yeah.
Okay, because we're at support. But good news, Bitcoin looks like shit. Yeah, you could, man. I was saying this to my friend.
Yeah,
you can look. A lot of people say this a lot, and I tell them, listen, man, you're gonna miss the whole move. There is like it's a contrarian belief not to short support. But my friend, what's wrong with shorting here at range low? Putting your stop loss if you clearly believe that if my system says short, man, I got in first. You're shorting here. I've already shorted here.
Yeah.
Like, I got in.
Yeah.
You can be a hero and try to short this in an uptrend and get hurt. I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt. I got kids, man. I got family. I don't want to get hurt. So that's that. Yeah. Solana. Beautiful trade. Let's watch it together. I'm gonna put it in my active to keep eyes on it for you.
I'm still not sure in that trade. I don't know. It's not smells completely.
Then exit it.
Like.
See that feeling that you have right now?
I might. Yeah.
If you have a technical reason to exit it. But if you were scared, like me, like this,
then no.
If you got scared of a little pump like this, based on a system that's clearly in a powerful downtrend, and you exit there when the liquidity has already been taken, this is the next stop, man. This cloud here was previous support.
Yeah.
But if this breaks, fam, this is next stop. You can short here, but if the cloud was big.
Down.
Yeah, the cloud has to be thick. Okay, you can short it like this. Fair move. 106%.
Think so. Yeah. Looks good, but if it will break,
If it
if the
breaks.
cloud will get thicker.
Yeah, same with Solana. If this cloud breaks for you, man, let me make it a smaller line to make traders a little bit, to give a little bit of a optimistic view on things. I'm just saying you have a lot of points to break. While my trade here has some points to break, but it's not strong, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it looks like.
But look at which time
Like
frame you're looking at, yeah?
touching less targets than the Solana.
I want to be as critical as I can with my own trade here. There's a lot of liquidity, 1, 2, 3, 4, but no. Bitcoin is going to break them. These are stop losses for me to hunt. I'm hunting stop losses. You, same thing. Hunt this, hunt this, hunt this. Keep the trade open. If once it hits that again, move your stop loss on break even. Once it hits there, okay? And pay yourself 10%, 20%, okay? Once it moves here, move your stop loss here. Once it moves here, move your stop loss there. Once it moves here, once it moves here, move your stop loss there. Well, once it does that, move your stop loss there and leave only a little bit left. 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, and leave 20%. And leave 20% to run this bad boy to 0.
Yeah.
I will be shorting this like with so much size. It's not even funny. That's the move that I want. But Solana is in trouble. Clear. We're in trouble. Solana is in trouble.
Wow. Okay, that's
Make you feel better.
Let's see if it will try to climb again. I don't think. Well, the clouds is getting thick, but how thick it will be until it will try to retest the level, if it will retest again.
This is it. This is the big short that I'm doing. But if I enter here, see this gap?
Yeah.
I'll get squeezed there. I will be squeezed. If I enter a trade here, like this, I will put it on 1x. This is not worth my time, 1.53. It's not worth my time. I need to see a thicker cloud. I need thick. I need big clouds, man. I love big clouds. I cannot lie. I like big clouds. I cannot lie. Okay, Solana, you're doing good. 17. Where's 4 hours? Are we done here? 7 minutes till the stream is over. Any more trades that you want me to do? I've already entered Alice.
I think I'm good. I think I will practice again and again with the clouds and the liquidity zones, and we'll watch my trade.
Okay. We'll finish it off with just checking a couple of things. AVAX. I have too much trades at the moment. I'm not really like I've already hunted enough. Oh,
It's getting thick.
what is this? Is this a short? If I enter here,
Well, the conversion line is stronger than the candle, so it's
I don't know, fam. One,
we'll let it close, no?
we will. Give me a second. I haven't charted this properly. I already entered Alice, but let's watch this for fun. What is this coin? DYDX?
DYDX, yeah.
Move this fucking coin to watch this. Not interested. Oh my god. Opera. Wow. Wow, look at Opera. Oh, there you go. Edge to edge trading live. Did you see this, Sam?
Opera. No, and now I see it on your screen, but
Do
I
you
didn't
see? Do
notice it
you see
on
what
my.
happens when you enter it? Do you see what happens to coins when they enter the 3-day cloud? Do you see how Do you see how strong coins are when you're inside the cloud?
Yeah, very move like they moving a lot in the cloud.
Yeah, you do not want to you do not want to. You can fade the cloud, but you cannot fade the 3-day when it's inside the cloud.
Can you trade inside the cloud, or
That's my
it's not recommended?
that's my favorite. That's my favorite. I mean, I wait for 3-day charts. Like I'm waiting for Alice to do this, fam. What do you think I'm waiting? I'm
So you
trying to
trading
catch.
on a 3-day chart, or like you waiting on a 3-day to the chart to enter the price to enter the cloud, and then you go to the 4 hours to make a trade?
No, 3-day, like this,
3-day,
like this.
like a few day, like a swing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, Solana. I entered a Solana long. I mentioned this live on stream. I mean on Instagram. Here, I think when was it? I'm a Solana defender, and then it broke, and I gave up. I give up.
Yeah,
Well,
okay.
I'm a trader. I flip buyers quickly. Now this is weak. It's on major resistance, but you do not fade coins that are inside a 3-day chart. Why don't you look for clouds that are oh wow, Bitcoin Cash. See how it moves violently inside a cloud? Like a thunder?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Now it's like kind of outside.
yeah, yep. So this is Tomo. You wanna fade the inside the cloud trade. It's so powerful. It's so strong. What is this? Hang on.
Wow.
It's very powerful. It's a very powerful indicator. What do you think with AVAX? I had big
Inside the
targets.
cloud, it like
R-
moved a lot, like
remember,
went like
remember,
rocket.
remember. I was what you. I don't know if you were following me at the time when I was doing my AVAX trade. I got this whole move.
I think I saw it. Yeah.
I'd got the whole move
You did crazy stuff when you posted. Like I saw it and I was like, I
with
gotta learn it. I was looking it
yeah, yeah.
closely.
This is what that we did. Like we did that, and where's polka dot? Those were my three. Polka dot, Avax. Where's dot? Fam. 3 day close retest. Boom. But I traded this whole thing. I caught that whole move. Anyway, that's um that's the 4 hour chart
Yeah.
close in 57 seconds. Any last trades that we can possibly enter? Just quickly. I'm gonna quickly do down like that.
How about Pepe?
I
I
put.
think it's dead, no?
I don't even want to talk about it, fam. Because remember, this is where I got stopped out. 30285. This is where I got stopped out. Right here. No,
Yeah.
3085. I got stopped out here, and it proceed to drop 100 and delete. Delete.
Delete.
I
Yeah.
don't want to see it.
It's dead.
It's done. As in, like, I don't want to see my past performances. It's over. I remember I done this RLC trade. We were discussing it. 30% drop. Render. I forgot about this, but because we were focused on other trades, 34%. GTC. You charted this. You should have traded
I
it.
think so.
You did. It was one of the first homework I've given you. And look at this. Look where it stopped on the 3 day. 20%, fam. Believe in yourself,
Yeah.
yeah? But now we've broken 3 day. What I'm waiting for, this chart is finished. This chart is finished. Like how
There's nowhere to go.
where are we going here? This is it. This is the low. Like this is where we buy. This is, I don't want to say it, but this is where we buy GTC right here. But we don't want to catch a falling knife. The best way to buy GTC is this.
Consolidation
Hmm.
in the support.
Let's put that on my blue list. Let's watch that. If we pump, we'll buy that. Alice as well. What is this? 3 day chart render. Another 3 day chart that's not completed. Look, this is the 3 day chart that's unfinished. You see,
What does it mean when it's not finished?
the data is not finished gathering.
Yeah.
There's not
Oh.
enough data. Render is very bullish. Be careful shorting this. That's why I'm not
Mm-hmm.
shorting this.
Yeah.
I'm not interested in shorting render. As a matter of fact, if we do this, fam, if we do this, I
It's a
I
long.
I go long on render. I want long. Is that the 4 hour close?
Definitely.
Okay. Um, ADA is a short again. Like,
Cardano.
yeah, Cardano is a short.
Cardano.
Like this.
When I hear Cardano in my ears, and I don't hate this coin, yeah, I'm just saying. So
You
it's
can have.
always remind me a consolidation.
It is. It's a stable coin.
It is.
You can say that. You can say that, fam. It's fine. it's your opinion, fam. It's a stable coin. In the last bull run, I told my mom to buy Cardano, $1,000. Now it's she only has $200 left, fam.
Oh, but
Uh,
it's not. I don't know if it's a shitcoin. It's not a shitcoin. I think it's not a shitcoin. They have a.
they have a good.
I don't know.
Do you want me to?
The coin looks like it's moving good.
This
It's
is the
moving
only.
with a lot of stages in between.
This is why Cardano is a good coin. This is people why people think Cardano is a good coin. It was based on a community pump. It still has. It still
Mm.
has. It still has some usages right now. You know, Cardano. It's
Yeah.
all I know that is that Cardano is about to 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 plunge into bear market lows again. But 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 where is my 3 day super chat? Here we go. Hey, bro, look at this.
Bullish.
This is not bad. This is not a bad bid here. Who bid here? Who bid on this level? Hang on. 3 day. 3 day. Who bid here? Who bid there and what time did they bid there? Fam. If I don't know, man. That's not a good close. I
Hmm.
honestly, fuck this shut off. I don't care about that. I don't know, man. The RR is not good for me here. I think there's gonna be some good defenders here, and that's not gonna be easy to break. Even if we do that, nah.
I think the cloud is not getting. It's getting thicker, but it will close very fast.
hmm EOS, full trade executed. Move that to the blue chart. Oh shit. I still don't have time to go through my red list.
Wow.
That's why we have a spaghetti chat. I even have Snapchat, fam.
Oh my god.
I have Snapchat,
I
fam.
wanna learn the spaghetti chart. Even I wanna place it in my charts.
I wonder if I can send this to you.
There's a guide that you posted a guide how to do it in
But
a
that's on F.
on the Discord.
Yeah, does it have his. Can you share it? I think you can share chats, fam. I think you can.
I don't
Oh,
know.
give me a second. Publish. Speak your mind. I don't want to speak my mind. I just want to share this fucking chat, fam. Hang on. Click this. Give me a second. No. Click this and tell me what you see. Click that.
I will enter. Wait a
Mm-hmm.
moment.
And
Where did you send me it?
chat,
Chat.
voice chat, voice chat.
Voice chat. Let me check. Oh, it's stuck. Wait, I will enter from the computer.
I need to leave all these servers, fam. All these rubbish servers.
It says that they can't show me
Why?
this chart because the chart is hidden in. I'm translating it in my head from Hebrew to English. The chart is hidden approach uh, in the approach settings, I think.
Hang on. Ah, sorry. Here we go. Try again.
Let's see.